All the ingredients will be listed down below in my description box, but to go over them we're going to need some milk, sugar, flour, cocoa powder, oil, double cream, condensed milk, raspberry jam, butter, cream cheese, fresh raspberries, sugar and eggs. In a bowl add your cream cheese, add condensed milk, add raspberry jam, give it all a really good mix. In a different bowl add your double cream or whipped cream. We're going to whisk it for a couple of minutes until it's nice and fluffy, but make sure you don't over whisk it. Add your cream into your raspberry mixture. Add fresh raspberries. Give it all a really good mix. Into your bowl add your eggs. Add sugar. Add milk. Add water. Add your oil. Lastly, add your flour and cocoa powder right into your bowl, and I'm sifting it through. The batter needs to be very smooth and very runny. Take your pan, take a full ladle of your mixture, pour it into the pan and then move it across all the way around to create a nice circle. We're going to cook this on a medium-low heat until I can flip this around. You can move it on the sides, take it from one end, and then just gently flip over. So once all your pancakes are done, I've got about 15 layers here. I'm gonna let them cool down. I have just taken out my cream from the fridge and you can see it's nice and set. I found that the best way to assemble this cake is by using a cake tin. So we're going to place each pancake inside, then add a generous amount of cream. And you want to spread that around. Add the last layer on top. I have melted some dark chocolate and we're going to pour this all over our cake. Our cake goes into the fridge overnight. So run a knife around the cake